What do you think this is? At first glance, it just looks like a regular pressable keycap, but if you look closely, there's a tiny display sitting right on top of it. Don't you feel like you just have to press it? I will give it a try. Let's see what happens. That typing sound is so satisfying. Honestly, this easily clicky feel might be why so many people are obsessed with mechanical keyboards. Taking a quick look around the device, we've got USB ports here and power switch below it. It looks good. Sorry, so let's switch it on. Alright, a question mark popped up. Since it's showing something, we know now for sure that it's a working display. But what exactly did I build here? The project I made this time is a custom Morse Code Keyer. To be honest, I've only ever seen it in movies. I've never actually used it in real life until now. So I put together this handy little cheat sheet. I'm going to use it as a reference to type out some words today. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Easy. Now let's try typing the most famous code out there, SOS. Wow, it works like a charm. The coolest part is how it builds the characters based on exactly how long I hold down the key. It's super responsive. As you might know, Morse code is a classic communication method that uses a combination of short dots and long dashes to represent letters and numbers. And as you can see right from my fingertips, each character comes to life letter by letter. But hey, it's no fun if it only works by itself, right? That's why I added Bluetooth support to turn this into a wireless BLE input device. Right now, it's constantly broadcasting Morse Keyer and just waiting to be paired. Once you connect it to your phone, boom! It's ready to use as a mobile Morse code keyboard. Alright, let's try typing something. There's nothing special about it, but it works well. Let's take a quick look inside the device. The heart of this build is Waveshare ScreenKey. It's a mechanical switch and a tiny IPS display packed into one single keycap. Powering it all is the ESP32C5, and my favorite part is a built-in battery charger, making this device completely wireless. Finally, everything tucks perfectly into this custom 3D printed enclosure I designed myself. It's sleek and holds all the components snugly together. If you want to dive deeper into this project, you can find all the details and code over on my Github repo. Bringing this project to life has been such an incredible journey. It's always so satisfying to watch a concept turn into a fully working device right on my screen. I truly hope you all had fun watching this process as much as I enjoyed building it. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today, and I will see you in the next one.